Testing, testing. This is Squishmallows 2.
Hey!
Also from last week. And we're gonna do, I suppose I'm making a stack.
Oh god, Boo, look at the camera.
Welcome back to Squishmallows! And then I'm calling this Squishmallows 2. And we're gonna do some unboxing.
Alright, let's start with the first week's toys.
Okay, first week you need Cam and
Yeah.
Fifi.
Cam and Fifi. Start with Cam. Cam's my favorite.
Yeah, I know it because this Cam is so shady, right?
No, because Cam is a cat.
Yes. Shady, yes. But we're only focusing on the next week. Gordon and the monkey, which I forgot the name.
Okay.
Meow, 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 meow.
I want to see behind.
Oh, you need to.
Yeah. Cute. Cute picture. Next.
And then this goes down.
Okay. Don't throw the box.
We're doing some silly stuff. Fifi
The
the
fox.
fox. Of course, everyone knows that because it looks like a fox. And when you cover it, it looks like an owl.
Is that so?
Yeah. And now, I think Wendy from Gravity Falls. When they have a disco ball on it and it go boom, beep.
And last one.
Which is Archie, the art hero, which is the axolotl. I called Archie an art hero because Arch. See, Arch. Can't see it. There you go. Yeah, the axolotl. Now, this one are the first week. And these are the second week. And now, bye-bye.